Yeah, I mean, I think it's important to make sure that the team knows that everybody's not going to have the same success rate. And while others are having success, others are going through their process. So as long as the team can have each other to back each other up, to let each other know that, hey, we have all been there. We've all, went through the same thing, just in different times in our businesses, but the main thing is, I feel like if you can have that real strong team culture to where when there is those strong bad things or big emotions or whatever in the roller coaster, you're going to have people that have been through it, and you've already built good relationships with these people. So you're going to be able to feel more comfortable going talking to your peers, going talking to your other business partners, to be able to really make this thing a family business instead of just a individual business.
Yeah, I love that. And just congratulations on your continued success. I know $100,000 ring in the first 7 months. 150 is probably less than a month or two away. Looks like you're going to be platinum executive director this month for the first time. Congratulations on that. And I look at a guy like Chino, executive director in his first 30 days. Actually, bronze executive director in his first 30 days, because he also had someone on his team go executive director in his first 30 days. So you got a lot of things happening very quickly. And I love the fact that when I sat down with you guys to talk with you, it's like, we're doing PBRs. We're getting in front of people. We're using the Zoom blitzes. We're just doing more Zooms than everybody else, but we're doing more live events than everybody else. So you're just doing more of all the things everyone's doing, but you're just doing it at a record-setting pace, and you're getting in front of living rooms, and you're doing the weekly event.